Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes,
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
100% healthy, ma'am.
Okay, good. So we don't want problem later, okay? As I have mentioned, if you are unhealthy, then no need for you to come here. Huh? You just better stay in the Philippines and get treated. Yeah? But if you are healthy, then it's okay, you could come.
Okay,
Our
ma'am.
interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. My name is Danessa Icaro. I'm 35 years old. I live in Batangas. I have two children, 15 years old and 8 years old, one boy and one girl.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you, Danessa. Do you already got passport?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you single or married?
Married, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 46 years old. His occupation is a salesman.
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 Okay. When is your birthday?
March March 3, 1990.
Sorry, can you repeat?
March 3, 1990.
It's not 26 because in your buy
March,
data it was
Ma-
stated that it's 26.
March 26, 1990, ma'am. Sorry.
So what happened? Why you forget your birthday?
Because, ma'am, 03/26/1990.
Oh, okay. So what is your but still you forgot your birthday.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your height and your weight?
5'3" and 65.
65. What is your religion?
Catholic.
Okay, what is your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate.
High school graduate. So you mentioned that you got two kids and then you also a married woman who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here in Malaysia.
My mother,
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
she is already 60 years old.
Okay, 60 years old but still wanted to take care of your kids, is it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Then later if your mother's something might happen to her, who will going to take care?
My husband.
Your husband. Are you sure?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we don't have problem later, ah? Once you come to work here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience also in the Philippines as a housemaid, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
You worked for 3 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In which place in the Philippines?
Lipa City, Batangas.
Lipa City. So, can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment in Lipa?
I can cook, washing,
Okay.
ironing, cooking sometimes.
You do house chores there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, did you take your children or any elderly?
Sometimes
What sometimes?
because my employer is
What is your employer? Is it
mental.
elderly? Your employer,
Yes,
is it elderly?
yes, ma'am.
How old is the employer?
65 years old.
Is it female or male?
Female.
Oh, so you assist her also, is it?
Yes.
What happened? Why you decided not to continue working to this employer? Why 3 years only you work there?
I finished my contract because I want to I want to apply to abroad.
Okay. So you need to embrace yourself. You need to get ready. Being a
Yes, ma'am.
domestic helper is very tough. You know that, right?
Yes.
I don't want later that you will cry every day because you miss your family, you miss your children, you wanted to go back home. No such a thing because you will sign a 2 years contract, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once breach of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be
Already.
flexible. You need to be multitasking.
Okay, ma'am.
Houses here is very big. It might sometimes you will sleep very late at night. Your lunch, your breakfast, it's quite late. So can you endure all of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I do.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any dogs or cats or rabbits?
No, ma'am.
No, Ashura? Okay. So what will you do if your homesickness will attack you, knowing that this is your first time working abroad and you will working quite far away from your family?
Focus my work, ma'am.
Focus only in your work?
Yes, ma'am, because I have a goal for my family.
Okay. So always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted what's best for your children and for your family, okay? Don't
Yes.
simply say that you would just give up. No such a thing, okay? Knowing that in Philippines, you know that the poverty hits there is very different one. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Usage of mobile handphone, you are allowed to use your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day. But you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. On your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. Only rest inside the employer's house. If you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract we have 1,800. But if you will work on your rest day for every Sundays, then you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you really willing? Or are you okay?
Willing. I'm a willing.
That's why we don't want to waste our time here also, okay? If you are willing to come and work here, then it's okay. Then if you disagree, it's okay also, because we don't force people to come here. As long you are okay, you don't give us problem later once you reach here, then we don't have any problem. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, always follow the rules and regulations of the employer, because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer. This is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but in other countries here in Malaysia, we cannot do whatever we want. Yeah? Because this is not the Philippines. Right? Respect the employer, follow the rules and regulations. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah? Sure, ah?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. So, as usual, what will you do if the employer get angry with you but you didn't do anything wrong? What will you do?
I'll say sorry, ma'am.
You say sorry but you didn't do anything wrong.
I explain myself.
You explain yourself. Okay. So, if the employer is like she or he talk a lot, like very noisy one, you do this, you do that, you do that, like what will you do?
I can work in quiet.
You just work in quiet only. Okay. So I think, Vanessa, that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp, because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much and have a good day.